There are two forms of dynamically usable Excel templates for importing bank statements from Excel to Tally. The sheet should have the name bank. The sheet's header should adhere to the two types of templates provided. The header's name, caps, small, and space shouldn't change. Validations for the header and data. Date, in date format, is a mandatory column. Details or description is written information based on information from a bank statement. Ledger name, to be put up in accordance with the Tally necessary ledger name. Account name is the bank ledger that will be used to reconcile the bank statement after it is imported. Remarks and further information may be included if needed. CHQ no, any reference or a blank may be used.